Hey guys, so we are back with another problem. This is just a basic array problem. We'll start from array. So this is the max consecutive ones. Actually, we need to count the maximum number of consecutive ones in this array. So basically, you will be given an array. For the example, this one, and you need to count maximum number of ones. So if you like go in an iterative way, so here there are two ones, right? And then the zero, then you count again, so there are one, two, three. There are max three consecutive ones in this array, so the answer is 3. Similarly in this array, if you see, like, there is one array, one, then we go, there is 0, then are two ones. So till now the max number of consecutive ones are 2. Then it's again 0. So again, like, our counter is gonna be reset. Then it's single, so max number of consecutive ones are 2. So similarly, like, whatever I explained, you will need to code in a similar way. The constraint is that the nums dot length means array dot length starts from 1 and 10 to the power 5, and the number should be either like 0 or 1. So we'll start coding this. First, let me take a max. This should be our result, so initially that max would be 0. Then we can take a counter that will store the current counter of the ones. So for example, 1 here, then it will be resetted, and then 2 here. So this will store the current one counters. And then we can have a counter variable, any of it. So we'll apply a loop. So while I is then num dot length, we need to do I plus plus. So here, our first condition is, the current element we are at, then we just need to increment our count. Else, if it is not the case, so if it is, like, for this example, suppose our I is at 0 to index, so we'll increase the counter, it will be 1. Then I is at the 1 index, we'll again increase the counter, so now it's 2. Now if I is at the second 2 index and the element is 0, so now we need to reset the counter here. But before resetting the counter, we need to update our max till now. So it should be, if what are the max, if count is greater than max, then update your max with the count. So here, like, when I comes here, our max contains 2. Similarly, it will go like here, here, here. So till last, our count equals to 3. So at last, what is the greater? Either it is max or count. You should return that. So you can apply, like, return if count is bigger than max, then return count, else max. So yeah, hopefully this should run. Let me check. Yeah, finish. Our first task is running. Let me submit this. Yeah, it's accepted. If you see the mode results, it's showing yes, all 42 tasks is passed. Cool.